Hi, this is Chris 24K. We're taking a look at the OnePlus Evolve Beyond Speed gift box. This is very cool. This is the OnePlus 10T 5G, and here is the phone box. And we'll get to that in just a moment. Amazing looking boxes here. Really neat. I like the red a lot. 10T in bold and in black right there. But there's a special hidden compartment here on the box at the very bottom. Two special cases also come with this phone. So you can have the all black, or you can have this cutout one. Both are interesting looking. They're durable. Premium protection for this OnePlus 10T. Alright. Go back to the box here. There it is. I really like this color and the text. Even on the inside of the box, 10T, there's no mistaking this 10T right there. Some information packet right here. There we go. Some welcome info, safety information, some stickers. That's cool. They include some stickers as well, and an adapter, USB-A to USB-C adapter right there. It's nice. So it'll fit the older cables, and here's the phone itself. This is the OnePlus 10T. Take a look at that camera cluster right there. Super neat. Looks like you have 3 lenses and a flash module there, and looks like the flash is sectioned out. So there's a couple of different flashes. Get that turned on. Going further inside the box. Now this is why the 10T shines right here. It is a super high-end charging brick that comes with the phone. 160 watts SUPERVOOC charger. That's for a laptop. That's incredible. 160 watts for a phone. Now they do have a newer phone out, the 11, but it does not have the SUPERVOOC 160 watt charging. Here is the really cool USB-C to USB-C red charging cable. Definitely notice that it is from OnePlus. Really like the coloring there. Here's the phone. It's all booted up and ready to go. Gotta love that camera cluster right there. And then here is the selfie camera right there. It says hello, so it's ready. And I'll take a look at these cases. So this has a nice textured feel on the outside, so it's a nice grip. And it looks like all the buttons are covered right there. Get a little bit closer look right there. There we go. And that's a huge camera cluster protection cutout right there. And on the bottom you have the microphone, speaker, and charging port. And on the top, some more sensor information ports, speaker, and right there, speaker, and some more microphone ports right there. Okay, there's that case. And then we have this other case. There we go. Put that in right like that. And there it is. There's the 10T. In this case, you can see the red right there. Very cool. I like this a lot. And this is the black version of the 10T with that SUPERVOOC charging. Again, 160 watts. That's the whole key to this phone. Amazing. And there it is, the unboxing of the 10T with the SUPERVOOC charging and the 3 cameras and the really cool flash cluster right there. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. This is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok.